Hey, this is the boat doctor. Sam, you got a beauty here. Ride's really nice, real dry, smooth, right length, 24, 5 foot maybe. Very stable, motor runs good, doesn't blow out, doesn't suck air, cavitate. Kicker motor works good, TR1. I see you have your actuator for your throttle control disconnected. No big deal. TR1 does work on here, but you just make sure that friction, you may even want to loosen that up a little bit. You don't want that on when that autopilot's running. You may want to get a tack someday, keep track of your hours that way. Fuel gauge, you don't have that connected. I don't know why. There's a yellow wire back there, so I put it in my notes. Your trailer brake emergency cable is not there, which again, you probably already know that. You got the hydraulic assist right here. It works really good. You don't get the feedback. So what we're going to do here is probably start with the main. Just turn this baby on. That's your friction for your throttle. I always have that loose so it kicks back if something happens. Get my leg braced here. Put it in gear. Oh, you do need a splash guard from up here in the back by the shoe to keep the water from coming up. Most boats need that. See on the takeoff, no blowing out. Very smooth. You can run it with one hand. So the main motor runs good. That's that spray I was talking about. And it'll come in here. So you definitely need a splash guard. Kick that back, turn that off. Turn this down. And every one of these are a little bit different. So you want to pull the choke out when they're cold. You want to put it in gear and give it about 5 pumps. Bring it back into neutral. Choke out just beyond that dimple there. But I've already started it, but you always want to start it like this. Put it in gear. Okay. Then you hold your autopilot button until it turns on. And you know the drill there. You wait for it to go solid. I think I'll miss it just before the downpour. I see it's coming out of the south. It was southeast or southwest, but now coming this way. Still blinking. Takes a couple minutes. But that friction, you want to make sure, I'd maybe loosen that up just a hair more. I got it all the way off, but it still got a little drag to it, not much. Now it's solid. Now all you have to do is put autopilot. It's working. Want to go over, steer over, release it, it'll come back. There you go. Want to cancel it, of course, go like this, kick the throttle back, put it neutral, kill it. That's in the standby mode. Hit this thing for about 5 seconds. Release it. Doesn't do it again, do it again. There you go. Then trim it up. Now if you're traveling with it, you can set this friction so the motor doesn't go back and forth, but I'd almost take that off so you don't forget it. You don't blow up your pump. Bring that baby there, just fire it back up again. Put it in gear, take off. Good motor, plenty of power. I love the way it takes off, no hesitation. Yeah, see, what'd I tell you? It's gonna rain now. All right, boat doctor, out of here. Sam, you got a winner. Chicken dinner.